The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new affordable phone called Lava O2. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava O2 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. Under the hood, the Lava O2 comes powered by Unisoc T616 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 512 GB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165 by 76.1 by 8.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava O2 has been priced at 8,499 Indian rupees, and it is currently available at 500 rupees discount for a limited period of time. The smartphone is said to go on sale starting from March 27th, in imperial green, majestic purple, and royal gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava O2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.